Welcome back. It's time now for the financial week. Lasco Manufacturing achieved a net profit of $1.38 billion for the 2020-2021 financial year. That reflected a 41% increase over $1.29 billion in 2019-2020. Revenues were also up at $8.2 billion. Lasco Manufacturing earned $7.9 billion for the previous year. The company says the expansion of its powder manufacturing operations, which was completed in February 2021, is expected to generate significant cost saving and strengthen earnings. Now, Jamaica producers achieved improved first quarter results this year. For the period ended April 30, the company recorded net profit of $570 million. Profit during the same period last year amounted to $559 million. Now, no stocks traded today. However, a look at this week's market performance shows the JSE index ended this short trading week down 2,400 points, while the junior market index lost almost 29 points. This week's top performers include CAC 2000 9.5% preference shares, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, 138 Student Living, Iron Rock Insurance, and FESCO. Among this week's decliners were KLE Group, Siboney, JMMB Group 5.5% US dollar preference shares, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, and Lumber Depot. Now, trading should resume on Monday at 9:30 a.m. And that's the financial week. A bite of the week news from overseas, they're after the break.